Welcome friends, I Rakesh Sharma welcome you on my channel Embrance. Friends, Jupiter is retrograde in Sagittarius sign and it will remain till 14 September. Saturn is also retrograde in Capricorn sign and it will become direct on 29 September. Rahu and Ketu will changing its sign in September. Rahu will be entering into the sign of Taurus and Ketu will be entering into the sign of Scorpio. Now, the coming 2.5 months, or let's assume that the coming September, what this September is all about, what we need to understand from the current stars position, which will going to change in the month of September. My friends, the thing is that whenever major planets like Saturn and Jupiter are retrograde in their own sign, in their own house, it means introspection and going backwards in your life. It is not the time when you have to move out or move forward, march forward. It is all about to reflect your journey first, the journey what you have led till now, and you have reached to this point. Now this is a time of correctness. This is the time when you need to correct whatever you have done wrong in your life. Maybe we might feel anxious in this time. A lot of people are feeling that their life has been stopped, they are in the state of pause. We all are going through this phase, and some of them are having difficult times to understand that what exactly life will unfold in the coming future. And this is exactly what I'm saying to you, that this is the time in which you don't have to act, rather you have to be in a state of analyze, so that you can reflect your life in front of you and you can see what exactly you have done so far. It's not the time when you have to move forward in your life. I will repeat, it is the time when you have to introspect exactly with your true values and beliefs. Look, when Jupiter is retrograde in the sign of Sagittarius, it is all about reflecting your inner core values, because Jupiter is knowledge, wisdom, truth. It is abundance, it is expansion, it is your divineness, it is your real energy, the real force, it's higher values, higher beliefs. So it is giving us a chance that look, I am giving you one small chance in your life, so that at least in this period you can understand yourself and reflect your eyes, so that you can move forward when I will be direct in September. And Saturn is all about karma. So whatever your values and belief is, you will implement through your karma. And Saturn is retrograde. So what Saturn is saying, that look, you have to check yourself what you are doing. You have to check yourself in your karmas, because when I will become direct, then I can reward you with the best of opportunities in your life. And Jupiter is all about blessing, and Saturn is the reward what you can get through your karmas. Now Rahu and Ketu will be changing its sign. Rahu will be entering in Taurus and Ketu will be entering in Scorpio. So what is the energy of Scorpio? Ketu in Scorpio, it's all about relating to your inner values and beliefs, and the energy what you have come from where exactly you have come. You can know that energy, and Rahu will give you that strength to reach the purpose of your life. So this is the time when you have to make yourself very clear that what exactly I want to achieve in my life. You don't have to act, you have to plan and you have to analyze. The more you can connect with your own strength in this period, and you can reflect yourself internally, then the result will come outwardly. You have to understand that if you are in darkness from inside and the light is outside, still you will feel that darkness inside yourself. You won't attract light in your life. And in the vice versa, if you are lightened from inside, even though the outside world is dark, still you can see it very clearly. And this is the strong point what I want to make in this video. My friends, I'm reflecting again and again, I'm saying something to you. I'm not saying you directly, indirectly, I'm saying everything what I can say to you, because this is not the right time for me to speak the actual thing what I want to let you know. It it will take some time for me to communicate what exactly I want to communicate with you. Still, if you can feel, if you can understand what exactly I'm talking about, so just relate to that thing, and eventually you can see the results in the coming months. We are into the state of transformation, so those who can accept this transformation with ease, they will be rewarded, and those show rigidness in their life, then for them there is a lesson coming ahead. Again and again I am saying to you repeatedly that please introspect, please accept whatever flaws you have made in your life and correct it. This is the time of retrogression, and this is the time of correctness. This is the time in which you are about to reach a certain stage or certain phase in your life from where the life will change in 360 degrees. If you have worked on yourself, then the result will be in your hand, and if you have not changed yourself, then the result will be in others hand. So I leave it up to you that you want the result in your hand or in others hand. This is a small message which I wanted to convey for you all. I hope that you can understand my message and you can understand what exactly I want to communicate. Thank you very much for watching this video, my friends.